Hi everyone, here is Magnifica Craft. One of my patrons is working on a particular project. She's going to show you the small version of what we are trying to work on. What we are trying to make is a kind of a pouch for you to keep your phone while charging or when you just want to hang it maybe by the wall or something. So we have already made the small one. We are now working on a bigger one that you can use to carry things around. Here is the bigger version she's working on. It's going to be a carry-all bag. You can use it for picnic. You can use it to get your vegetables. You can use it to carry things to work. The hand is already fixed. We're working on the body now. Thank you for your time.